And I see he's stuck it again. He's got it right on the tail. It's mugging me off, this fish. Absolutely mugging me off. Hi guys, how are you? Merlin here, and sorry it's been so long I haven't uploaded a fishing video. If anyone's still watching out there, it's been a hectic year. I've had my first little one, so obviously that's eating up a lot of my time. But today we're going pike fishing, and a shout out from my mate Mark from work. He told me about this beautiful spot, and if you know fellow anglers, you don't really share information like that, so eternally grateful for that. Yeah, so we'll be hitting up the canals today. I've hit this spot about a good 4 times before. I've always come away with a result. The last few times I've had quite a lot of pike, but you know what it's like. The day I'm probably going to start filming is the day I'm going to blank, but hopefully not. Hopefully we'll get some nice fish today. Obviously that's why you're here, so you can look at the footage, and yeah, let's see what we're going to get. Going to be doing a bit of lure fishing, so I use these shads, and they've been doing the trick for me lately. I actually got these free at a competition. Shout out to Pembrokeshire Lure Fishing and the guys that run that. It's a fantastic day out there, and these were freebies. I think it's called Rodney's Rodney's Gear or something like that. Got my lucky Snagbro hat, so shout out to the guys at Snagbro, and yeah, big fans of them, real big fans of them. And yeah, let's see what we're gonna get. Hello everyone, so yeah, got my rod here, got my bait caster set up. It's Abogacia Max Black Ops Edition, very sexy, and it's a 10 to 40 grammer, so not too bad on the weight. So let's see if we've got any pike under here. I'd say underneath bridges, it's always worth a cast because you usually can get a hit. Whether we'll get one today though is another matter. Maybe not. Fishing a beautiful stretch today though. Oh, weed. It might be one of those days. No! Oh, oh, that hurt me like this. No! I seen a magpie earlier, I reckon that's what it was. Oh, has he had it again? Oh, he's had it again. I can't believe it, he's gone for it again. I don't know what's going on with my line. Oh, he's let go of it again! No! Ah! I think he was just holding on to it. I don't think he was actually hooked. He wants it. Oh, it's even more embarrassing when someone's watching. Lovely to meet you guys. Oh, well, that's a... Oh, he shredded that, didn't he? Oh, that hurts. That hurt me a lot. He was a nice fish as well. Gutted. Could not play that drag for the life of me. I don't know what was going on there. It's always the one that gets away. Oh, he took it again! He took it again! I can't hook him. I don't know if you saw that. This fish is playing with me. Come on, come on. Get it again. 3 times I've lost this fish. That is just disgraceful. Absolutely disgraceful. I think I've lost this one. I think he's dumped me. I've got to move on. Dry your eyes, mate. I know you. Oh, I see he's stuck it again. He's got it right on the tail. It's mugging me off, this fish. Absolutely mugging me off. Every time I'm about to leave, he's like, nah, mate, you're staying. Go for it. Ah, I just hooked myself. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, just hooked into one now. Oh, he's running with it. He's not bad size. It's not a chunk either. Get my net ready. A couple just walked past, same one before. I think they're my little good luck charm or something. Oh, go on, go on. Oh, oh, he's shaking his head. He's not ready yet. He's not ready. Come on. That's it. Got my net. Got my net. Come on. Oh, oh. Did you see that? Yes. Woo. Oh. Finally. Got one. Let's have a look in there. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's what we want to see. Beautiful little jack pike. Oh, and he's managed to unhook himself as well. Cheeky bonus. Right, we'll rest him up in there and then we'll have a look at him. Woo. Right, let's get a good look at this one. Beautiful fish. Lovely little jack. Put up a good fight. Love the colours of them this time of year. Try and do this on the phone. Right, let's get him back. I think he's about ready. So long. Mwah. I think this one's about ready to go back. Let's get the release. There you go, fella. Go on. There's an art form for this. And I haven't seemed to master it. Oh, it's still in there. This bloody stick is in the way, which isn't helping. Go on, mate. Away you go. And away. Not the cleanest release, but fish was good, no harm, and he's away. Cracking. Right, see if we can get some more. It's been about 3/4 of an hour since we caught our last fish. It's been pretty hard going, to be fair, and it's not looking promising, but we're going to keep on trying. It's a nice bridge here, but bloody hell, it ain't half overgrown. I don't know what kind of weed this is, but it's an absolute pain if your lure gets stuck in it. Yeah, nothing just seems to be wanting a bite, unfortunately. Come on. There's got to be a pike in this, surely. Right, it's been a hard session, guys. On my way back, I caught one fish, usually on this stretch. I probably catch the most fish on the way back, so hopefully we might at least hook into one more before I get back to the car. For my setup is, is just literally my Abu Garcia max cast, bait caster, 10 to 40 gram, and I'm just using a shad with a jig head. Obviously I'm using a trace, always use a trace when you're fishing for pike, because if you're not, it's probably going to run away with your lure. Lures ain't cheap, and poor pike's going to have a lure stuck in his mouth. Chances for survival are pretty grim after that, so yeah, make sure you use a trace for you and the pike. Right, let's see if I can hook another one before I go. Alright, come on fishy. Oh. See, somebody took it. So it always takes here, but I can never hook in. It's taking another one of my bloody tails. Oh, coming to the end of our session, guys. Doesn't look very hopeful we're going to get one now. Don't seem very bitey there. I've had a few takes, but it's been hard going. They're there, they just don't want it. I might have to invest in some new shads, I think, because they don't seem to be going for these ones anymore, which is a shame. It's always the way when you start filming. Fish go camera shy. Yeah, it's not like we haven't had none or no action, but one more would have been nice. Well, I don't know what to say about that one. It was a bit of a rough session. Wasn't completely fruitless. We did get a pike, but lost a few as well. Did have quite a few takes. Clearly biting because, well, I got 3 lures in the back with their tails missing. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'll just put that one down to a bit of bad luck, and probably need to invest in some new lures. I think I'll get something a bit more appetizing, because those ones were a bit beat up from the last few sessions I've done. It's just typical that the last few sessions you had have been really good, and then the one you film is the one they turn camera shy. But hey, well, at least we got one, and I'll see you next time, and hopefully we'll have a bit of a better session. Stay cool.